Today we're going to be making some mini slime with Mr. Hand and some Elmer's clear glue, some baking soda, contact lens solution, and Orbeez, because like if you put them in they expand, and a clear mini bowl. Let's get started. So first let's add the contact lens solution. Oh my gosh. No wait, this is the glue. Oopsie. Yeah, this is the glue. So let's add the glue first. So I've added all the glue in with Mr. Hand's help, and it looks nice and clear, and it's like an inch only, no less than an inch. Now let's add the baking soda, only a little. That much is good enough, and let's mix. So this is what it should look like clear, not clear, but like chalky water. So for the last and final part next to the Orbeez, let's add some contact lens solution, or you can use borax. So Mr. Hand has added our contact lens solution into the baking soda just in case it's a little too less. Let's add it, Mr. Hand. Time to mix. Uh-oh, it looks like it's sticking here. Do you think we can fix it up? Yeah, let's try to find some more glue and add it. Looks a bit more gluey. Let's try to add the orb. Our slime is not looking the best, Mr. Hand, but I think it's good enough. Let's let it dry. His hands are messy. I think Mr. Hand's ready to play with it. He's been getting super excited. Okay. Ew, it's so sticky. Mr. Hand, stop. Boy. Oh my goodness. See these little Orbeez? Tomorrow they'll probably like inflate. I got that one out. Mr. Hand. Mr. Hand doesn't like his name. Mr. Hand. This is kind of cool. Oopsie. Mr. Hand, are you okay? Yes. Mr. Hand went to clean up, so I am going to be fixing up the slime. First of all, I'm going to add some food coloring to it. Let's do yellow, Mr. Hand's favorite color. Yellow. So I added some yellow gel, and now let's mix it with magic. 3, 2, 1. Done. Magic really works. So it looks kind of really gross. I actually wish I picked a different color. But let's surprise Mr. Hand. Surprise, Mr. Hand. For me. I love it so much. I love the color yellow. So I'm stretching it. Okay, Mr. Hand. And I think that's good enough. This slime is really good. It makes loud noises, which are kind of funny. It's like, I don't know how. So I hope you enjoyed this video with Mr. Hand, and maybe next time I'll do an easier slime recipe. Bye!